So I wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I owe you all an apology. First, I told you I was going to go live every day with my series on setting client expectations. Then I came back and said I couldn't do that because it's just too time consuming and I was getting too bogged down in all the technical because I was trying to make them all fancy with slides and stuff. Then I said I was going to finish that series on setting client expectations before I left for WordCamp. And so I was going to do that on Wednesday afternoon 2 weeks ago. And Facebook went down for like the entire afternoon. So nobody could post, go live. It was a big mess. Although it didn't get much advertising, it was down all afternoon. And then I had some people coming in from out of town, and then we left to go to WordCamp Miami. So I didn't get any of those things done. And then when I got back, I got really panicked about not getting finished with the complete roadmap by the end of March, which actually isn't going to happen. But I got a lot done. I finished up all the slide decks, and I finished up what I think are all the templates and tip sheets and things like that, but I might be doing some more of those. So let me just show you what I've got so far. Okay, so these are the slide decks, guys. Look how many there are. This is really 8 modules. There's like 3 pre-modules, and then each of the modules for the phases of the roadmap. You can see this took quite a lot of time. Now the templates, these are the templates, and there's a whole bunch of those too, although I might be doing more of those when I go through and start recording, which is going to start today and hopefully be finished by Friday. I'm putting my head down and doing nothing but recording these videos. So I feel so bad about not getting this out on the schedule that I said I was going to, but you know, life happens. So I'm going to try not to stress too much about it. But I did want to tell you a little bit more about what's going to be in the roadmap. So check this out. Here are the pieces and parts of the roadmap. The first one is a framework manual, or I'm calling it the field guide because I'm trying to keep with that whole roadmaps theme. So this is the field guide that you can use as a reference after you go through the program. And then the video lessons are the how-to. The templates give you a head start, and then the tools that I'm going to show you how to use are going to help increase your efficiency. Let me skip over a couple of slides and show you how the modules are laid out. So you've got the first 3 modules, and the best one in that whole stack is Roadmap Best Practices. That's really cool. I can't wait to record that. And then we've got the phases of the roadmap. The way that this works is the best way when you get the program to go through it is to go through the video lessons first. And it seems like there was something else I wanted to show you. Templates and tools. Oh, project plans. The roadmap's also going to include at least 1 and maybe more work breakdown structures so that you can take that and modify it for your own clients. I am going to finish the series on setting client expectations, and I am going to set a day per week to go live and talk to you guys about some things like why being good at the WordPress platform is not enough, how your project management methodology can help you, and then in the next few weach, I will be hosting some free webinars on different topics. So stay tuned. And I think you guys are going to love the complete roadmap, but you're not going to love it if I don't ever get it finished. So I'm back at work, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching.